How to cancel Kaspersky subscription. Hi everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn how you can cancel your Kaspersky subscription. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. I'm going to make the process through the app here in my MacBook so you can see how are the steps, okay? So this is the home page or the dashboard, the initial dashboard of Kaspersky. And at the bottom of this left menu, you're gonna find your email address. If I click on there, you're gonna find that your subscription is active in this case, and you're gonna click on Manage Subscription. This is going to redirect you into a web page where you can check that your subscription is active. In this case, it's my free trial. And here you can always tap again in Manage Subscription. Perhaps if you don't find that, or if you don't have your desktop app, you can obviously go into Kaspersky.com and just click on subscription here in the top menu, and again into this. And here, as you can see, you're going to be able to cancel your subscription. Remember that after the subscription is canceled, you will still have full protection until the end of the current period. So I'm going to cancel it. You must type your password, click on continue, and that's it. Probably because it was first opened from the app, this has not been canceled again. So if you want to repeat the process, you can do it anyway and cancel your subscription. As you can see, now is canceled, okay? Because what you need to, I'm going to skip this step. What you need to check here in your subscription menu is that this is not going to be paid anymore. As you can see, there's no price for anything, and I just have my end of free trial period, okay? And that's how you can do it. Thanks for watching.